The first step, recognize projection is inside out. Yeah, you have a daughter, right? Teenage daughter. Teenage daughter. Yeah, you think the daughter is outside. Yeah, you have this feeling. You get out of this knowledge session, you get out of your room, and you see the daughter. First, you have a feeling the living room was already there. The daughter is already there, and I am coming into the living room. This is the way you are thinking. You are thinking from memory. Remember the first introduction of Ramadrishti, how I said? Do not see, you cannot see with the interference of memory. It's not possible to see. Yeah. You have to look at every moment from the perspective of the witness of the person. And the moment you get to the witness, you see, I am the background, the space of nothingness. In my space, this person, which is the mother, suddenly appeared. Then the living room appeared in my space, and the daughter sitting in the living room appeared. Do you see this? This is called seeing projection very clearly inside out. Into the space came the living room, into the space came the daughter. From the space, the daughter left. Yeah. From the space, the living room left, and then the bedroom appeared. Then there was some activity in the bedroom. This appeared in me. Then the activity left. The bedroom left. Do you see what I mean by projection is inside out? This is the way you start seeing rather than seeing from the memory of the living room already out there. Yeah. What is memory of the living room? Before you get up and open the door to get out of this room, you already have pictured the room and you've pictured the family member sitting outside in the room. No, now you are working from memory. Now you are going to think that the world exists outside me. So this is not direct seeing. Has this become clear? As soon as you get out of this session and you leave the room, yeah, before you open that door, take the stand of the witnessing awareness space in which this door is going to open between this room and that room. And then you see that room comes into me. I don't come into a room. Yes, the person comes into me. The kitchen comes into me. The food comes into me. The preparation, the gas, the oven comes into me. This is the way of seeing. Projection is inside out, not outside in. If this first step is clear, then the next step is very easy. Oh, perception is also inside out. Very clearly you will see that first there was this subtle thought of the daughter sitting in the living room. Then was the gross manifestation. Yeah. So when there was this thought of the daughter sitting in the living room, there is either a pleasant feeling or unpleasant feeling. Yeah? That is for you to decipher. That feeling is first. And then when the daughter or the living room appears in me, then there is the gross manifestation of that same feeling in why are you just wasting your time, whiling away your time? Yeah. Those words came out of an unpleasantness. Do you recognize that? The unpleasantness is the ground from which these unpleasant words just sprouted. So you will see, oh, very clearly I can see that pleasantness or unpleasantness below the ground. and I can see the words. Perception is inside out. Yeah. But again, prerequisite for seeing perception inside out, the prerequisite is projection you should be able to see is inside out. Clear? If you continue on this exercise very clearly in the night, it will, when the body lies down in bed in Swapna Nidra Jnana Sadhana, it will be very easy to see, oh, the dream comes into me. I don't dream. I am not going into the dream. Deep sleep comes to me. It's only a term. It is actually the absence of arisings coming to me. Absence is also a wave. Absence is also a wave, and you will see it very clearly. Oh, it comes to me. I am not going into deep sleep. I am not going into dream. When these two become very clear, moving towards the waking in the morning, you will see, dream comes to me like that only. Waking comes to me. It is not that the I is traveling through the states. It is the I is the background in which there was an absence of arisings. Now there is a blurry wave of arisings, which is the dream which came into me. And now there is the crystal clear wave of the room, of the fan, of the partner lying on the bed. Oh, the waking just came into me. Do you see this? Projection is inside out. This must become clear. For perception is inside out. For that truth to become clear.